A to Z means what are the things that look into the general examination? A for appearance, B for build, C for cyanosis, and D for decubitus, E for edema, F for fever, G for age, H for hair, O for
edema.
orientation. No, actually it's not like it's a higher function. Okay. Then P for pallor, Q again is silent. Then R for rate rhythm, S for skin, T for tongue, U for uvula, T for vein and other involvement, venous involvement you can see. W, weight, X, Y, Z. Whatever the thing that is left that you can include in this one. Right? So here just a very simple you can find with this in the A to Z. Another one the physical examination, and already we gone for the systemic examination, right? You just go for top to bottom, or either you select the things from where to start, right? So very very practical that we have to include first as like this battery system, and another one is the cardiovascular system. Both together we have to study, right? So here the three points always taken in the consideration. That is, the first is what? Inspection. Right? Every system that you have to inspect first. Second is, then after the inspection, once you work that system, then you go for the palpation.
Palpation.
Okay?
Percussion.
Percussion included in this palpation. And third one is
Auscultation.
So all the three makes, that's a complete examination of one system. Okay? So as for example, if you go for the systemic examination of the respiratory and cardiac system, then you have to look for the first is trachea, position of trachea, whether it's centrally placed or deviated from one side to another side, whatever the what side that is deviated, right? So you can just making after the inspection that you can find the where the abnormality is, right? Okay, so if as for example, in case of combination, what happens? It pushes the trachea towards the opposite side. Okay, in the pleural effusion and the pneumothorax, it also pushes the trachea on opposite side. In fibrosis, it pulls the same side. Okay. Right. Similarly, you can also make with the palpation. Okay, palpation again is the percussion. It's like a sound. Okay, sound means that whether it has like a dullness or resonance. The two quality. Okay. If it is stony dullness, you can say there is a consolidation part. Okay, or the pleural effusion part. What is the level that you can also find with the percussion. Okay. For example, if a bottle is filled with this, then you can make a cup over there and you find the level. Where the note has to change. Okay. So you find the level. Okay. You can also estimate the surrounding and the extension of the lesion, right? From here to where it is in and the where which part is stony dullness and which part has resonance, right? Similarly with auscultation, that is for the respiratory shock. Okay, you have already been going through that. There are different type of respiratory shock. If you place the well of a stethoscope, you will find over the trachea there is what? There is a vesicular rhythm, tracheal rhythm. Okay, if you place it over the trachea, it gives what? Bronchial breathing. Okay, if it place over the lung parenchyma, it gives what? Vesicular rhythm. Okay. So that makes a difference. Okay, to identify the lesion also. But once the air passes into the any of the cavity, or if it is expelled out from the cavity, okay, if it from the lung parenchyma proper, then it's like a vesicular breathing. But if it is some kind of abnormality, okay, as for example, there is a consolidation, right? What kind of breathing that we expect? We expect crepitation. You can expect rails over there. Okay, if you put a stethoscope, you will find the breathing pattern is what? Is it whisper pectorally? Pectorology. Whisper pectorology, right? Even sometimes you can find over the cavitation in, you will find that this breathing is same like as trachea or bronchial, not like a muscular breathing. So you make difference after scrutation of each and every part of the chest cavity, right? Similarly, you can also assessment of this is also being brought into consideration by the method of palpation. Okay, if you put the hands, okay, on the both sides on the same level, ask the patient to expel 99. Okay, some pebble sounds. If you produce, you will find that there is a feeling of the resonance. How it becomes a resonance? Because until unless it's not vascular breathing, changes into the bronchial breathing or something passed from air to, quality to solid area. Okay, so that gives a feel. Okay, where the reason is, right? So after this all estimation, why this thing is important in this regard? Because see, take any kind of the lesion. If you brought changes in oxygen concentration, oxygen saturation, but mismatch perfusion, this causes what? This causes hypoxic condition, and hypoxia one of the reasons where the oxygen saturation falls, right? It causes change in concentration of hydrogen ion, sodium and potassium ion, because making of the chloride solution. So what happened? It's called the disorientation. Problem will begin with this. Hypoxia is not like a direct causes to produce or alter sensorium of the human being, but directly it affects the ion concentration. Okay, changes the pH of the blood, so that it brings the changes into the sensory systems of the brain function, your brain organ. That's why it is very important to study all the things here to make it clear whether the cause of the delirium is, what are the cause of the other system is affected by the systemic manifestation. Because many of the time that we have to find what psychosis in respiratory failure, agitation or illusion in respiratory failure. Why it happens? Because there is change in higher function. Okay, but higher function is not a proper responses or a primary reason for the changing the higher function system. But here is the only the things where the other systems are involved to change the higher function. So that the study here, not a central portion, but the study here is what? Peripheral portion. So that what we do in this case, while we assessing all of the system, then we have to make clear that which organ is affecting the higher function to rule out the primary illness first. Then we have to look for the secondary region, okay, and then treat according to the environment of the system. Okay.
Sir, 8 minutes.